Since its launch in 2019, the National Industrial Development and Logistics Programme is revolutionising the Kingdom. SGP, a joint venture between PIF, PSA and Al Blaga Group, is the Kingdom's largest and most influential port operator. In partnership with Mawani, SGP is developing the Eastern region's first dedicated up to 1.3 billion Riyal Integrated Logistics Zone at King Abdulaziz Port in Dammam. The port is the largest in the KSA Eastern region and the third busiest in the Middle East and North Africa, handling 53% of the Kingdom's imports by volume. At the heart of this vision is a 1 million square metre plot, being transformed into a hub for regional and global trade, and supported by incentives designed to turbocharge regional and global trade and logistics. Strategically located near container and multi-purpose terminals, railhead connections, and major road networks, and just 45 kilometres from King Fahd International Airport, offering seamless multimodal connectivity. This new hub provides flexible build, lease and operate solutions, and land plots for development. At its heart are modular warehouse units, offering efficiency, speed, flexibility and quality. Specialised facilities for light manufacturing and assembly and e-commerce. The zone also features Grade A temperature-controlled warehouses and cold chain storage down to -20 degrees, and areas specially designed for the handling and storage of dangerous goods and chemicals. Groundworks begin October 2025. Phase 1 will deliver 200,000 square metres of built-up space, operational by 2027. An additional 500,000 square metres will be completed by the end of 2029. Right on the doorstep of the biggest consumer market in the Middle East, and a strategic link in the worldwide supply chain, this transformative new project is a key pillar in revolutionising the Kingdom. SGP. Unlock more.